Welcome to Cruise Control. My name is Eric. We're going to start looking at some new cars and used cars to find out what's the best option for you. Let's see what's up next. Alright, welcome back to Cruise Control. This old video of mine is going to be from when I did my track day this year at PPIR. It was an SCCA sponsored event. It was fantastic. I went with my buddy. We both have SIs. He has a 2007 sedan. He's got the 4-door, so it's more comfortable. The longer wheelbase makes it a bit more stable. Definitely better for cruising. He's got way more power than I do, as he has a K24 Frankenstein build. If any of you guys know what that is, there you go. If you want to know a little bit, I will shorten it. It's a K20 and a K24 combined. And he's got a lot of like bolt-ons and all that kind of fun stuff. He's putting down a healthy amount of power. I probably won't get this right. I believe he's putting down around 220 wheel horsepower, meaning not the engine, but to the wheels. I believe he's putting down around 220 wheel horsepower. And I also want to say he's putting down around 185 wheel torque. Now, again, I could be wrong on those numbers, but best my memory serves, that was on a dyno jet dyno, and that's how much power he's putting down. So his is lightning fast versus mine. Mine is a stock 2009 Honda Civic SI coupe in blazing orange pearl, and I love this color. It is such a fun car. This vehicle has zero things done to it on this track day. It completely stock tires, completely stock everything. Nothing is done. I don't have track tires, I don't have track pads, I don't have high temp brake fluid. I don't have anything done. This is completely stock. There has since been one change, and that is to help with the terminal understeer that the Civic Si does suffer from, because it is front wheel drive, so it's hard to go around these corners with understeer. So I did put a 19mm Eibach rear sway bar in the back. Currently, it's not in its most stiff setting because I'm not on the track. When I would go to the track, I would then switch it. That is the only thing that has been done so far. Here are my plans for my future build. I am going to be putting track tires on it next racing season. I will be putting track pads on there, high temp brake fluid as well. Those are the things that I am doing for sure. As I save up more money, I'm also going to be adding a Honda, an intake, a header, and I will get it tuned. And I believe that is where I'm going to end. I'm not going to be putting a loud exhaust because I don't like loud booming exhaust. I like my exhaust to stay relatively quiet. So I'm going to lose power from the exhaust, and I don't care. I don't want that sound. I like the way this engine sounds enough as it is. I don't need it to be louder and obnoxious. I'm not trying to do that. If I get to 200 wheel horsepower or 190 plus, I'm fine. I don't need to try to eke out every little bit of power. I'm really wanting balance, so I will probably also eventually save for a coilover kit so I can get a little bit lower to the ground and I can get different rebound rates so that way it goes around the corners a little bit better. So those are all things that I am going to be looking forward to, and that's what I'm going to be doing. Probably some lightweight wheels for the track, and then the wheels that I have on there now will just be my daily drivers, and then my track setup will have the lighter wheels, the track tread, and all that kind of fun stuff. I'm going to go ahead and let you guys take a look at a couple of pictures here, and then a short little clip of me out on the racetrack. It's my first time out on a racetrack in this car. I have hit the track a couple of times in other types of cars. I've been to the Fontana Speedway. I did the NASCAR experience there, which was fantastic. I've been to Speed Vegas. I got to race a 981 Porsche Cayman. I've done high-speed go-karts. I've been on track settings before, but this was my first track day with this vehicle, so bear that in mind when you watch the video. Thank you so much for watching. More of this kind of content to come.